Yo guys, and welcome back to a new video here on the channel. My name is Dan Preptor, and thank you guys once again for tuning in to this amazing new quick update video for you guys for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So guys, I am currently going to reveal for you guys the next big move that Bitcoin and Ethereum are going to make here, because yes, we are seeing some significant patterns currently playing out here, and this can really give us a direction if we're either going to push up towards the 50k or either going to drop back towards the 22k. So if this sounds interesting for you guys, make sure to watch the video till the end here. Make sure to smash up that like button and don't forget to ring the bell notification and subscribe to the channel. So guys, without further ado, let's go right away into the video and let's discuss what we are currently seeing. So currently, Bitcoin is forming this symmetrical triangle once again and on the 4-hourly time frame, guys. So because this pattern is of course currently getting created on the 4-hourly time frame, we have approximately another 2 to 3 days here till we're going to see the breakout, and we have still enough time to of course anticipate this one either direction towards the upside or towards the downside. Still will say this, if we're going to break out in a weekend, you want to be extremely careful, because in the weekend the whales can be of course manipulating the prices, and it can be maybe not giving us the exact price target that we are willing to see here. So I will be already saying this, if we're going to see a breakout on a Monday, this will be beautiful of course, and I definitely think yes, we will be probably seeing a lot of volatility once seeing the breakout, because guys, this is a very significant pattern, and you can see if we're going to push towards the upside, this can be pushing up the price towards the 50k approximately. And of course, if we're going to push up towards the 50k here, it will be from the breakout another 23% surge here. And if we're really going to correct here, guys, and if we're going to look for the correction here, let me set this up here. If we're going to look for the correction, this will be also, of course, a 28% drop off towards the 25k approximately. So, yeah, this is very exciting, of course, to see here. This is once again providing us an insane good buying opportunity, a selling opportunity for Bitcoin. And, of course, yesterday, guys, in the stream, we were literally discussing how Bitcoin was going to behave for sale. Yesterday in the stream, we were saying, okay, currently Bitcoin dropped off here. We were going oversold. What I expect that we are going to see a minor bounce towards the upside. And of course, then we are going to create a null leg down here, create a bullish divergence. Exactly what we did here. Lower low getting created here. Higher low in the RSI. This was, of course, a bullish divergence that I was waiting for. And this was, of course, a thing that we were telling to you guys. Please wait for a bullish divergence before entering along here for Bitcoin. But, of course, bullish divergence played out perfectly. And since then, of course, you were seeing an approximate 6% increasement here. But this was, of course, very likely to play out here. And right now, of course, if we're zooming out towards the 4-hour, we are forming this beautiful symmetrical triangle. And besides that, guys, if I as well flip onto the MACD here, you can see on the daily candles, we're about to have a bullish crossover as well on the MACD. So, yeah, this looks extremely exciting. You can also draw this symmetrical triangle on the daily, as you can see over here. So yeah, there are multiple options to trade this one, but I definitely would love to see, of course, the breakout playing out on a Monday. So let's see how this day, today and tomorrow will be developing. I hope that the days will be very boring, so we can be just consolidating in a pattern, and of course see the breakout on a Monday. But let me also discuss Ethereum, because yes, guys, this video will be very short, but I'm trying to quickly bring an update for you guys. And also, what are the chances? Is it more likely to break down or to break towards the upside? For both Ethereum and Bitcoin, it's more likely to break towards the downside, because we are started this pattern, this continuation pattern from a move towards the downside. So that is pretty unfortunate. But for Ethereum, guys, we are also seeing an ascending triangle getting formed here. Usually this is a bullish bias pattern, but of course, because we're going lower, you can be approaching this as a bearish bias pattern. So let's see how this will be ending, of course. Hopefully we can be seeing this breakthrough towards the upside as well coming in here, because yes, this can be having also a very significant price target, guys. Let me see for you guys. This can be really pushing up the price towards the 4,100 US dollars, or if we're going to see a breakdown here, of course, it can be pushing back the price towards the 1,300 US dollars. So also my reason to say I will be only longing this one towards the upside. I will be not shorting this one because I don't think that the short targets will be getting reached here. But of course, this is a beautiful pattern that we can kind of finally see here in the 4-hourly candle as well. People, you can be also approaching it in a different way here. Let's say you're not looking to to look at an ascending triangle. You can be approaching it a little bit different. And for the price section of Ethereum, you can see over here W is getting formed here. Beautiful W, of course, getting formed, and we can be looking for a breakthrough of the neckline, and the breakthrough of the neckline will be also approximately the same target here. So does it really matter? No, it will be just coming towards the 1900 US dollars. But yeah, in general, I think it's a very significant pattern that we want to be looking at, and that's the reason why I'm making this quick update video for you guys. I don't want you guys to miss out on this potential trade here that we are about to get here. So yeah, make sure to keep your eyes set on it. You can be approaching it as an ascending triangle. You can be approaching it as a W. But in general, we are finally seeing a very beautiful pattern playing out here. We really can be trading either direction. So hopefully we will be seeing a breakout on the Monday. Guys, if we're going to see a breakout on this Monday, I can already tell you guys, I will be opening a trade altogether. So it will be amazing if you're going to join me. You can already sign up with Bybit in the link in the description, currently giving you a 2,610 US dollars deposit bonus, and yeah, make sure to check that out here. But guys, this was a very quick update video for you guys. Later today I will be going live here, but thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you will be anticipating this breakout either direction, and I will check you guys later in a new video on the channel. And don't forget to ring the bell notification and subscribe to the channel if you like this kind of content. And of course, I will see you guys in the comments if you have some questions for me, and goodbye.